Every sunrise brings possibilities, new dreams, and a chance to shape your future. You could become an IPS, doctor, teacher, IT professional, soldier, politician, or follow many other fulfilling paths. But why is this still a question for so many? Because the right career choice needs more than ambition, it needs self-awareness, clarity, and direction. Calling all UPSC aspirants. MVC Academy is proud to introduce the UPSC Discovery Program, a focused 45-day journey. We'll help you discover your potential and guide you toward a path of progress and success. In just 45 days, we'll help you discover if you've got the mindset for the UPSC. This program gives you a complete look at the civil services and helps you make a big decision. Stick with this prestigious career, or go for another path, like IT or teaching. This journey is about you, your strengths, your skills, and how they align with different career paths, with the UPSC Civil Services right at the heart of it all. The journey to your future begins with knowing yourself. Once you do, the right path becomes clear. MVC Academy welcomes you to this journey of discovery. Take the first step. Your clarity starts here.